एएनसीन रन अगेन्स्ट ड्रग्स कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली। कार्यावळीक डीजीपी आलोक कुमार आणि हेर पुलीस अधिकारी आशिल्ले। कार्यावळीक बरो प्रतिसाद।
Say no to drugs. Choose healthy ways. Be strong. That is the message. Illicit drug trafficking and use of drug is increasing, and especially amongst what we have seen, especially amongst the young generation. So this is destroying our families, our society, and it's a threat to the nation. This has to be curbed. Plus, it is not healthy for the human beings. So you have to see that this drug menace is completely cut down. So the message from our anti-narcotics cell: do not consume drugs. Say no to drugs.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे।